Is it on? Can you guys hear me? You guys want to know a fun fact about me? I'm no longer vegan. I started adding animal products back into my diet at the beginning of this year, and I started working out every day in all the month of December and January. Um, Fun fact. There's a lot of reasons for it. I'll probably cover it in an Instagram live when I finally decide to download Instagram to my phone again. That's not what you guys are here for. You guys are here to get a quick update as to what's going on with some of these trades that were taken. So I got my ass kicked today. Not in a horrible way, but just this is my first down day in 2 weeks. Get that? Did you hear that? It's my first down day today in 2 weeks. Oh, it's my first down day today. 2 weeks straight have been profitable every single day. Always profitable. Every single day has been profitable. Today's my first down day in 2 weeks. And it's not even that bad. So we're gonna go through it. I'm break even on GJ yet again today. Super funny. Well, yesterday I got long on GJ right here, thinking price would bounce back up to this zone. It ended up doing that, but I closed it break even because I was like, oh, we're going sideways, so it's not going up. So I closed it break even. Really stupid. So today I got long on GJ again. I got long on GJ again down at this zone. It went sideways for like 3 hours, 4 hours straight. So I called this in here this morning. Let's see what the fuck happened. Here we go. 8:50 a.m. If you guys can see this. All right. I was like long on GJ again. So I got long on GJ here at 155.6. A couple people reacted to that. Yash, Garrett, and Eli. Anyway, so it ended up bouncing like right up after I entered. Bounced up. It was halfway to the profit target, growing this 3K account to 20K, and it was all looking good. Then it fucking came back over and over. So at 11:13, so like 3 hours later, so I lied, not 4 hours, 3 hours later, it kept on going sideways. So I thought we were gonna break and continue the next zone. It ended up bouncing right after that. It tested once, bounced, came back, tested like a fifth time or fucking whatever, and then ended up bouncing. It would have gone to my original target at like 0.9 or whatever. I'm break even on GJ again, 2 days in a row. Yesterday I was break even from this trade that would have hit the target, and then we talked about this sell I could have taken here, but it was late last night. I didn't want to take it. Could have profited on that, and then I could have profited on this buy right here. That's 3 trades this week that I've wound up break even instead of like profitable. But I guess it's not that bad because, hey, at least I haven't lost money, right? Well, not the case with Euro AUD. This morning, as you guys know, last night I cut all my trades here for a net break even on everything. I was right in the meantime. It ended up going and whipping past these highs again. What I did, I told you guys this morning, I entered a buy right here. I'm still in that buy. It's in a lot of drawdown. It's not looking good. It's not looking very good at all. It tried to bounce twice, ended up making lower highs, broke below. It did pop back up to retest this area. I could have gotten out at break even, but I didn't. I stayed in thinking we would bounce right here at this zone. It didn't go. We ended up crashing all the way down here. I added a buy at this zone thinking we would bounce right here. I mean, it's a pretty clean support resistance level, but we didn't bounce right there. We broke below this zone. Added again here at this support resistance zone, and you guys gotta understand, the reason I've been adding so much is because I made like fucking like close to 50K this month so far trading. I'm just reinvesting all the fuck ton of money I made. I'm trying to make 100K this month, so that's why I'm like, cool, let's just throw in like 10 15 20 lots on these positions, because it's all with profits I've made. Worst case scenario, I'll lose like half of what I made and I'll still come out on top this month, like 25K, maybe 30K. Didn't work. Price bounced up. I ended up cutting these trades here at break even. I took one position here. I ended up cutting this trade at break even. This trade I ended up cutting these at a small loss, and then I added a sell right here at this current zone. So I'm in a sell right now, and that's in profit. The sell right here is higher than this position size, so if this continues down to the profit target down here, which is 1.5738, you know, we'll make profit on this one. Then what I'll do is I'll add another buy right here, reinvesting the profits from this sell to try to get a bounce. And if that buy pops up here, it'll be a little bit bigger of a position size than my buy from up here. Hopefully I can get out of these trades around here and break even. If that doesn't happen, I want you guys to know, worst case scenario, I'm out of this in like a loss of around 5 to 6K, but it's okay 5 to 7K maybe actually, but it's okay because I already made a fuck ton of profits this month. So I'm like not worried at all. In fact, I wish Euro AUD would try to do that to me, right? Because I've already had such a great month. It's so funny. Like whenever you have a trading system that's just, you're so tied in with the market. You're so zoned in. You don't give a fuck when you lose a trade. You just don't care. You're like, dude, it's whatever. Like I'm on to the next one. Anyway, okay, my rant. Gbpsgd, you guys saw I called this trade to you guys at the beginning of this week. Murdered this trade from here to here. I went so small on this trade. I only did 5 loss instead of 10, so I made 25, or what was it? It was like 2,500. I forgot how much it was. It was like 2,500. I can't remember what it was. I showed you guys this morning, but I've already forgot what it was. I don't even know. It's been so 2,600 on this GBPSGD sell. I'm short again. But we broke this zone. We came back up, retested. I covered this morning on the YouTube video I made for you guys. By the way, hit the like button if you guys like these daily videos. I've been pumping out for you guys. I'm a beast right now. But yeah, so I'm short right now on GPSGD. I'm gonna set an alert right here just above the zone. My profit target is down here. I might put the stop to break even or cover some of the position right here at this support level. Fuck it, no. If we break this zone, I'm not gonna close any. If we break the zone, I'll have the alert. If it comes back up to tap, I'll get into another sell, and I'll have 2 full sell positions to come down here to this daily resistance zone down here. It's just breaks and retests of horizontal support resistance levels. Got a million videos on my YouTube channel of how I trade. Just watch it all. It's so simple. It's just price bounces at support and resistance levels. It breaks and retests. You don't need market maker, bank liquidity, market manipulation, order flow, order block strategy. No, you don't need any of that bullshit. You just need support and resistance level. There's all these people who try to like overcomplicate it. I don't overcomplicate it, and I still make money. And I've been making money profitably for almost 4 fucking years now. Only trading support and resistance. ADJPY. Remember that trade I got in live with you guys this morning? Yeah, it didn't work out. So it ended up bouncing first, broke below the zone, came back up, broke way below the zone, came back up. I closed at a small loss right here. It was literally like $100 or $200. It wasn't anything. Then I got short, and check this out. So I have my TP down here for the short because obviously the buy wasn't working, so it broke and it retested, and I got short on the retest thinking it'd come down. Guess what? I was right. Had a profit target down here, right where this alert was on my MT4 terminal. Look at what happened to me. This is it. Barely came. Reinvested all my profits from yesterday into this that I made. Barely came to my profit target at 0.14. Holy shit. This was in it would have been like a $3K, $3,200 profit maybe. Look at this shit. It barely came and missed it. So I ended up just cutting this out. I ended up just getting out at break even. I made $100 on it. Then after I exited, it went back at halfway to the target again, and then now it's back up around this zone. Shit like that happens in trading all the time. So it's what? But that's that. We were looking at buys on EU this morning. The EU showed no rejection here to this zone. We literally came to this zone and just dove right through it. So what I'm looking for on Euro USD, I'm looking for price to push back up into this zone, start to reject, and if we do, then I'm going to look to sell. Probably just to be safe, probably back to these previous lows right here. So this is what I'm looking for in EU right now. Just waiting on a retest, waiting to pop back up and retest. GPAUD, we already talked about this. I don't have anything for this right now. CHFJPY. So I called in Mission FX in the group chat. By the way, if you're not in Mission FX, what are you doing? If you're not in Mission FX right now, it has lifetime one-on-one mentorship. As long as Mission FX is like a company, lifetime one-on-one mentorship from me and my team. You can book unlimited one-on-one sessions with my team. Group chat access. We have the structured program. It actually teaches you how to create your own trading system and backtest it and optimize it. endless support, 24/7 customer support email. What's the last thing? There's one more thing here. Oh, almost every single day we have live Q&A sessions conducted by me and my team, 6 days a week. What are you doing if you're not a Mission FX? Join Mission FX. What the hell? Like what? Like anyway, getting back. Here we're in the group chat again. Here we go. Right here I was like, all right, just closed CHFJPY here. She played out exactly as anticipated. If you guys remember this morning, I was like, CHFJPY, I'm going to stay in my shorts that were in drawdown because it's at a daily level. We were at this daily resistance level right here. We have the 2 4-hour rejection candles. I broke all this down in this morning's video. Watch that video if you really want to know. This is like so much free content I'll be giving out to you guys. Just go watch that stuff. It's literally all there. But I said I'm going to hold on to it because I'm fairly confident that it's going to keep on pulling away from the daily level. It did. It pushed all the way down here. I cut out all my positions here. It was barely any profit. It was like a 1K profit or like a $1,500 profit. I'd have to go and check exactly what it was. But so I took a small losses on, I had 3 positions down here. It shows 2 here, but there was 3 positions. And then I had 2 positions in profit. I still came out on top, but it was like, I managed that trade appropriately. So even though it didn't do what I wanted, I still came out in profit. Your boy completely fucked up the analysis. It came back. It went all the way to the resistance zone, came back, and I still came out in profit, even though it didn't even happen exactly how I played it. It's so funny, like, trading. You can either try to be right in trading or you can try to make money. That's what you can try to do. No one gives a fuck if you're right. All that matters is whether or not you come out on top if you make money. So CHFJPY, I closed right there. This looks like it's going to keep continuing down, but I'm out. And I'm not looking to buy either. This is a support resistance zone. I just think it's more likely. Like when you go to the daily chart, this looks fairly obvious. I mean, literally it looks like there's a resistance there, broke above, tested support, failed, came back below, tested his resistance twice. It looks like we're going to continue down. Probably to that support zone right there. At that support zone, I'll be buying. A lot of profit takers will probably be sitting right there. That's it. That's all Forex. Stocks didn't do great today at all. Oh, man, this is painful. Let's go and refresh this shit right here. Fuck, everything is red. Oh, my God. Holy shit, Microsoft is down 2%. Let me go check my portfolio. I'm almost like kind of scared. I'm only in 2 positions right now. Okay, so not too bad. 0.3%. Lulu is up 1.5%. Microsoft is down 2.5%. Yeah, so everything kind of balanced out. So not too bad. I'm kind of flat on the day. I'm still not back into all the tech stocks yet, just because I'm not convinced they're going to be going up quite yet. I'm still waiting. I'm glad I'm still waiting. Otherwise, they'd be eating all this shit right here. Whoa, like everything is literally red today. First day the market's open after 2 days and it's all red. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I'm in Lululemon and I'm in Microsoft, and I don't recommend you buy Lululemon right now. At least don't buy it. Wait for Lululemon to crash like down to like 290. Don't be like me, like fucking bag holding like 50K of Lulu. Now it's like 45K. Just wait. Microsoft, I'm fine with Microsoft right now. If we break this zone here, I'll wait for it to pop back up and cut my position around break even. Then I'll look to buy around this next low. But even then, like long term, like, I mean, this thing's going up. Like, unless Microsoft literally just goes bankrupt, like literally for like the past 10 years, we've just been going up. I'm not worried about Microsoft, even if I got to go through a little bit of drawdown. So I'm going to be managing that accordingly. Last thing to look at here is crypto on the daily 4 hour, 1 hour. Bitcoin looks like a decent sell right now. We're at a 4 hour zone. It's broken. It's retested. It's starting to reject. We'll wait for that 4 hour candle to close here around 8 p.m. And 1 hour is already starting to show some rejection. If we get a 1 hour closure, like with the bear candle go in there in the next 30 minutes, this will be good for sells. I was telling you guys back here around like 40K, 40.5K. I was like, I'm not getting long on Bitcoin yet. Just wait, just time out and just wait. I was like, let's see if we get past this next zone up here, which is like 46K. Then if we retest this and we start bouncing, that will be enough evidence for me to kind of start getting long again. But for now, I was telling all of y'all, I'm like, wait and see what happens at 46K. Just chill. Just wait till we get here and then wait. If we reject it and come down, we're still in a bear market. If we break past it, wait for a test, and then we'll be going up. That's still my bias. So I told y'all, I've been telling y'all for like, how long? Since the beginning of January. I've been telling you guys all year, which has been 3 weeks. But anyway, that's it. GJ analysis upcoming. I'm waiting on some fresh zones to be retested. Waiting on price to come up here. Start to bounce right there. And take all this shit off here. Wait. I'll just do 2 outcomes, right? That outcome. And I won't be buying at this support zone again. We've already been here a couple times. I'm going to wait for a fresh test of this lower support zone down here around 155.27. And I will be buying right there if we get there. As long as it's like during New York session, I'm like awake, able to look at my phone to actually trade it. But yeah. All right, guys. I'll keep you guys updated with what I do with Euro AUD. For now, it's just dipping into profit. I'm going to screenshot my terminal right now and show you guys. Gbpsgd is like pushing back up now. Gosh, man. Yeah, I'm gonna remain short on Gbpsgd. CoinEx is different for some reason, but look at this shit. Holy shit, 10K in drawdown. But this position, this sell is double. So it's already in half the profits. If this sell hits the profit target, I will break even on everything. But I won't be closing this position at that low. Keep in mind. What I'll be doing is if we get here, right? The 30 lot position, reinvesting all the profits I've made from 80 JPY, from everything this past month, like fucking 53K so far. I'll be reinvesting it all. Will not be closing this buy, even though it's painful to watch. It'll be in like 13, 14K a drawdown or whatever. I'll be buying like right in here, probably spacing out positions. And then as long as we just bounce up a little bit, I'm going to make it at least a 15 lot, maybe a little bit more, but for sure at least a 15 lot. If we just push up halfway here, then everything will be break even. So I would have made 10K on this drop right here, and then I'll be able to break even on everything else, and it'll still be a profitable scenario. You know, I don't blame most people for not getting profitable trading Forex. You got to have some insane control over your emotions. Like I've been watching all this shit all day play out, right? I've had swings up and down, managing positions, cutting positions at small profits, losses, break even. And I spent my whole day going out running errands, like going to the grocery store and shit, washing my car, helping my sister wash her car. Like if you're going to be a profitable trader, you have to literally not give a fuck about the money you're trading with. Because if you just need that money that's in your account and you're like religious and you're like praying that God's going to help you like be profitable in Forex trading, it doesn't come down to that. What comes down to it is just learning all the basics, getting the right skill set, improving it over time, and you just simply learn with experience. And a part of that comes with the experience is you have to realize that your emotions do not fucking matter at all. You got to be able to just go, you got to be able to look at the chart and see what's logical and then make decisions based on what's logical. Not decisions based on, fuck, I'm in drawdown, what should I do? Or fuck, it's going sideways, what should I do? It's not going into profit. Oh my god. And you start flipping out. You can't make decisions like that in trading. You have to just be able to just like have some big cojones and just make logical decisions based on what's happening on the chart. And also with fundamental news, but that's like a small percentage of it in my opinion. My trading is mainly technicals based. It's so damn simple. Um, yeah, with that being said, like I said, join Mission FX, give me your money, and let's get you mentored and let's get you properly coached in an education program that actually cares about you. That way you can actually start making some real progress in your Forex trading. Or you can just keep trying to learn it on your own, and that's cool too. You can keep watching my videos and waving at me in the comments. But look, if you're trying to actually make this stuff work, join Mission FX. You don't have anything to lose. I'm here. My team's here. My clients group is literally right here on the screen. You can see we've got a full group chat with everybody trading, everybody getting results, everybody doing good. We'll go to the student results just from today. We've got George today at 3:20 p.m. Doing good. Strategies break your retest. Won 4 out of 5 trades last week. Thanks, Nick. I'm trying every hard day to become a profitable trader. Thanks for providing us with this community. Today at 9 a.m. Marty D. FTMO funded today. Only 10,000 pound account, but it's a start. Thank you. Nick, I don't post a lot. I don't have a lot of time, but I thought I'd let you know. Just cheers anyway. I'll let you know how I get on. Thanks again. I mean, this is every day, guys. We got student testimonials, and it's been this way for the past 3 years since I've been running Mission FX. About 6 months after I got profitable, I started Mission FX back at the beginning of 2018. And since then, we've been killing it every single year. There's no reason why you shouldn't join. All right, there's my pitch. There's my spiel. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's analysis video. Y'all have a great rest of the night. Cheers.